Okay, so times goes with the plus. So it's going to look like this. Log of x times y. Okay, for the minus, you say log of b to the x minus log of b to the y equals log of what? What does subtraction go with?
X over
Division. Yeah, so it's going to go x over y. Okay, and then the last log rule says k log b of m is equal to log b. Where does that k go? Who remembers?
It goes as an exponent.
It goes as an exponent. So it's really going to be m to the k power. Okay, remember the exponents, we go up. And so we, on all of these, you're either condensing or, what's the word, expanding the logs. Okay, so we always do this part first. Okay, so you can kind of label this as 1. Okay, and then you do the other 2. You always do this rule first. Okay, so is there numbers up front?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this one is going to
that
go
a
here.
little one?
Yeah. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Log of 2, 10 to the 4th power, plus log of 2, 3 to the 12th power.
I forgot to do this.
That's okay. Okay, and then this is a plus problem, so what are you going to do? Multiply them. And so we just write them in the same parentheses. So it's going to look like log of 2, 10 to the 4th, times 3 to the 12th. Okay, if you wanted to skip this step, you're more than welcome to. Okay, and just write it like this. That's totally okay.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Okay, 49. It's going to look like log of u to the 30th minus log of v to the 5th. Okay, this is a subtraction problem, so what do we do?
Oh, it's going to be division.
Division. So it's going to look like log of u to the 30 over v to the 5th. If there's no little number right here, look, what is it?
2.
10. Remember that, okay? If there's no little number with logs, it's a 10.
So it would be log 10.
Mm-hmm. You don't have to write the 10, but you can.
Oh, okay.
Okay, expanding logs. So they give it to you like this, and they want it written out like this. Okay, so times tells us to do what? Add. Right, so we're going to say log 6, 10, plus log 6, 3, plus log 6, log 6, 7 to the 3 power.
I thought you're supposed to put the 3 in front of the
We
log.
do put the 3 in front of which one?
The last.
Yeah, so see how this has an exponent? Exponents go in front. And so on this one, I'm kind of going to skip a step, but, or not really cheat, but I'm going to erase this 3, and it really goes right here. Okay? We don't put the exponents, we don't leave them like that. Can I scroll?
Okay. So Miss Simon said, I'm not sure if it would apply for you too.
Okay, let's do this right now, okay? Okay, so what kind of problem is this?
It's the multiplication.
It's multiplication, and that goes with what?
Addition.
Addition. So we got log 4x plus 3 log 4y squared. Where do powers go? In front. So really, you can put the 3 here and erase this one. So we can put the 2 here and erase this one. Okay, use a calculator to approximate each log to the nearest tenth. Okay, so type that in your calculator. Do it so you make sure you find the log button.
So log. Wait, I'm confused.
Is it the law with like the two?
Two boxes. Yeah.
So log. So what I put in log.
Nope, this one's very good. See how this one has two empty boxes? And then
Okay.
check in.
3.7? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Well, I got 0.94.
Yeah.
0.94. Okay, so maybe somewhere out here, right? Type on your calculator. Okay, you can even say log of blank box to the blank box, so you remember. Okay? Okay, solve each equation. So these ones, the very first thing you gotta do is take the log of both sides, okay, in order to bring that exponent down. Okay, so you're gonna, when we say log of 13 equals log of b, or of 8, okay, look up here. What happens to this b is it becomes down here in the front, and it becomes a regular size b. Okay, so when we take the log of both sides, you drop that b down.
Huh?
What happened?
Look, that's why I keep telling you guys to look, and you don't.
Did we learn this?
Yes? Okay, so we said, see how I got a 13 and 8? And I got a 13 and an 8, right? All you're doing is writing log and log, 13 and 8. When you do that, it makes this b come down. Okay? And so now that b is going to be regular side. Okay, and then to finish and solve the log, you're going to say divide by log of 13. And Walter, we did do this because you messed up your whole sheet.
Oh, yeah, I know.
I see what you're, okay, I see what you're talking about now.
Okay, and now we say on your calculator, you're going to hit the fraction button. Hayes, don't be dozing on me. You're going to hit that fraction button. You're going to say log of 8 divided by log of 13. And that's where you'll use that button you were using before.
Okay, yeah, that's what, I see what you're talking about now.
I got
I've got 0.81.
0.81, good. Okay, so this one's going to be the same way. We're going to say log of 14 equals log of 7. What happens to that 7n?
It comes down.
It comes down and in the front. Okay, Walter, this is where you messed up before. When you go through and divide this time, everything is going to get moved except for that m. So it should be 7 log of 14. Because then look, the 14s cancel each other, the logs cancel each other, and the 7s cancel each other. So all you have left is the m.
0.10, that's what I got.
I forgot what I was doing. What did I do?
Somebody else? You got 0.10?
I'll put the 7 in.
Yeah, it's 0.10.
Okay, thank you. 0.10.
I'm dying in this school.
We're almost done, peeps. Okay, this one, before you can log both sides, you gotta move any other pieces. So see how this has like an extra piece? This 9.1? How do you move a minus?
We doing that one?
No, I'm just talking.
How do I do move review?
You would plus 9.1 on both sides. So this one, we're gonna say plus 10 first. So I got 4 to the n power. What is negative 89 plus 10?
-70.
Negative 79. Now you can log both sides. Okay, now it looks like some of the old ones. So we can say log of 4 equals log of negative 79. What happens to that n?
It goes in front.
It goes in front. And we say divided by log of 4. Hayes, you with us?
So when I put log of -79 over, I have to put the negative, right?
Yes.
Error.
That's what I got too.
Oh, so then maybe don't put the negative and you just throw it on the end. So it might be,
Delete. I got 3.15 if I don't put the negative.
so it will still be negative 3.15. So you'll just throw the negative at the end. Mm-hmm. Okay, last page. They're not much different. The only difference is instead of it saying log, it says natural log, but the rules are the same. What's plus go with?
Multiplication.
Yeah, what's minus go with?
Division.
But the process is the same. So this is plus, so it's going to be multiplication. So it's going to say natural log of 12 times 7 times what?
Times 5.
No,
No.
5 squared.
5 squared. Okay, on your test, because it's multiple choice, your answer is going to look like this. Natural log, what is 12 times 7?
12 times 7 is
84.
So it's going to be 84 times 5 squared. Okay, well, that's what I taught you the last time we did it too. Okay, the ones that were singles, you multiplied. The ones that were exponents, you left alone.
Okay, some of them would say you know, on some of the stuff, it'll say round to the nearest thing. You don't want us to do that, or you do?
You will,
We were gonna have to.
yes, because your final is all multiple choice. So you don't have 4 answers to pick from. So like honestly, some people, like, they can go through and circle and guess on their whole test and be done.
Okay.
we gotta show our work.
Mm-mm. All I care about is your answer. I don't even look at your work. You either get it right or you get it wrong. Okay? Even if you did all the work but you forgot a negative,
So,
you picked the
like,
wrong
you said
answer.
We start on Monday and you're able to get it done, like grade it. You said that we
Yeah, can you wait just a minute? So let me do this. My camera's on. Okay, so we're gonna say natural log of a plus goes to what?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So we got u to the 5 times v squared.
Oh, I thought that was 21.
Oh. Okay, expanding the logs. What's times go with?
Addition.
Addition. So it's going to look like natural log of 7 to the 5 plus natural log of 3 to the 6th.
I bet you put the,
What? What do we need to do?
move the exponent.
Yeah, we move the exponents, and where do they go? Yeah, so if you want to erase the 5 and just put it up front, you can. I'm just going to write it natural log of 5, 7 plus 6, natural log 3. Okay? That's what it should look like. Come on, Hayes. Today is the worst day ever to sleep. Okay, I'm only doing notes for today. Today's the last day. So you're going to have to watch the videos to do the rest. Okay, last one. What's division go with?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. So it's going to look like natural log. Which one comes first?
Top.
The top. We got u squared minus natural log of v3. And we know that these go in the front. So it's really going to be a 2 and a 3. And erase these ones.